having neck pain, and right now we're gonna be getting some movement through some joints that are not moving well. Like when I press you here, what do you feel?
Pain.
Yeah. And right there.
Same.
Yeah, definitely. All right, so we're gonna go after this one right here first. Good. And just relax. Let it go. Let it go. Good. Ooh.
My God.
Yeah. Think you might have needed that?
Oh, yes.
Big time, right? All right, and we're gonna come right in there. Get this one. Relax. Let it go. Let it go. Good.
Wow.
Yeah. You needed that big time.
Yes.
Big time.
Ooh, sweet baby Jesus.
Yeah.